So, what is hydroponics? Growing plants in water without soil. Wait, back up. In nature, the soil a plant grows in serves two purposes. One, it anchors the plant from above-ground hazards. Two, to provide the plant with nutrients it needs to keep growing. With hydroponics, these two purposes are handed off. The plant is supported by a net pot, which allows the roots to grow through into a nutrient-rich solution below. Hydroponics was first used as far back as 600 BC in the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, one of the 7 wonders of the world. By eliminating soil and housing the roots directly in water, the plants grown hydroponically flourished. This was achieved because plants grown hydroponically could absorb nutrients from water much more efficiently than plants grown in soil, resulting in faster growth and greater harvests.